So just have you resigned today from the chairman?
Yeah, I resigned as the chairman of Greater Panjim PDA, and plus I have resigned as a vice president of Goa Forward Party.
Okay, so when are exactly your plans to for the Panjim seat?
No, I resigned because I wanted to contest the Panjim election. So now I'm going to contest in Panjim.
As an independent or any party?
See, at present I want to contest as an independent, supported by the Congress. I'm looking forward for Congress's support.
So are you willing to join Congress if the options are?
I am asking for their support. Now let's see what happens. I'm looking forward for it.
So will it be a tough fight between you and BJP?
No, it is it is for people of Panjim to decide. People of Panjim, I guess people of Panjim needs a change. That's most important. For the past 24 years, 25 years, what has been done in Panjim it is for people to see. So I am there basically as far as development is concerned and employment. These are the 2-point program which I am coming to. In fact entering in this way.
What was your party's president reaction when you resigned?
See, it was not no question of reaction, because I had basically made my intentions very clear some time back. There's nothing to get a shock about it.
So will they go forward support you for the Panjim election?
No, there's no question of support. No, they are part of the alliance partners. So that's the reason I said there should not be any problem how the MDP has been facing problems.
And there's a talk in the city that if you sit independent, like same thing you will be repeating as others people have joined the ruling party. So what is your say on this?
See, if someone wants to leave and go, it is clearly, if I am contesting as an independent, I am clearly showing my intention that I am contesting as an independent without having any affiliation for any party. Now there are people who have left the party, other people from a party. So there is no question of ditching anyone or basically making a fool out of voters. I am not come here to make fool out of voters. I am come here. I want to give people's candidates. I am looking forward to for development of Panjim. That is my main agenda. Development of Panjim and employment to the youth. These are the 2-point program which I am carrying forward.
So you have no problem with the Uptal or anybody?
See, I wish everyone I wish everyone all the best. I am on the fray, so will be they. So it is no problem for me. Anyone is there, it makes no difference to me. Ultimately, the people of Panjim who will decide who is the better bet for them, who is the fellow who will take their vision forward. We have got a vision document which will be coming out with. It is let the people of Panjim decide. And this vision document will just not be on paper. It will be basically for the people, for the promise which I make for the people. I am here to see that I deliver the promise, because I am a man of word who will basically deliver whatever I say.